I am going to break down the IRS Form 1040 in such a simple way, you're going to feel confident tackling your taxes like a pro. Hey, my name is Arjun. I'm the CEO of doola.com. Doola is a business in a box, and we are a venture-backed startup here in New York City that has successfully raised over $13 million from the likes of Y Combinator, HubSpot Ventures, Nexus Venture Partners, and notable angel investors like Cody Sanchez, Graham Stephan, Sahil Bloom, and more. And along the way, we've helped over 10,000 entrepreneurs from over 175 countries start, run, and grow their dream business. We're going to dive into one of the most essential forms for U.S. taxpayers. This is Form 1040. So whether you're new to filing taxes or you just need a refresher, this video is going to break down everything you need to know about Form 1040 and how to file it. And my promise is by the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding on what it is, why it's important, and the steps you'll need to take to file it correctly. Now, to cover this, I'm going to start by defining what is Form 1040. I'll then go through the types of income reported on Form 1040. We'll cover deductions and credits. We'll cover different versions of Form 1040. We'll go over the concept of filing status. I'll do a step-by-step guide on how to file Form 1040. I'll give you some tips for accurate filings, and then I'll run through the most common mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. What is IRS Form 1040? Form 1040, also known as the U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, is the standard federal income tax form used by U.S. taxpayers to report their income and calculate their tax liability. This form is crucial because it helps the IRS determine how much tax you owe or whether you're eligible for a refund. Types of income reported on Form 1040. On Form 1040, you need to report various types of income, including wages, salaries, and tips, interest and dividends, capital gains, business income, retirement income, like Social Security benefits or pensions, other income, like alimony or rental income. Each of these income types has its own section on the form, and it's essential to report all of your income accurately to avoid penalties or audits. Deductions and credits. One of the significant aspects of Form 1040 is the ability to claim deductions and credits that can reduce your taxable income and overall tax liability. Common deductions include standard deduction or itemized deductions, for example, mortgage interest, medical expenses, and charitable contributions, student loan interest deduction, and IRA contributions. Tax credits, on the other hand, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Some popular tax credits include earned income tax credits, you might see that abbreviated as EITC, the child tax credit, and the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Understanding which deductions and credits you're eligible for can significantly impact your tax return, so please make sure to review these carefully. Different versions of Form 1040. There are several variations of Form 1040 designed to accommodate different taxpayer situations. The first is Form 1040, the standard form used by most taxpayers. There's then Form 1040-SR. This is a simplified version for seniors age 65 and older. There's then Form 1040-NR. This is for non-resident aliens. There's then Form 1040-X. This is used to amend a previously filed tax return. Choosing the correct version is essential for accurately reporting your income and calculating your taxes. Filing status. Your filing status on Form 1040 determines your tax rate and the amount of your standard deduction. The 5 filing statuses are single. This is for individuals who are unmarried or legally separated. Married, filing jointly. This is for married couples who file a combined return. Married, filing separately. This is for married couples who file separate returns. Head of household. This is for unmarried individuals who provide a home for a qualifying person. Qualifying widower. This is for individuals whose spouse has died within the last 2 years and who have a dependent child. Choosing the correct filing status is crucial as it impacts your tax bracket and eligibility for certain credits and deductions. Steps to file Form 1040. Now, let's walk through the exact steps to file Form 1040. First, you want to gather your documents. You'll need to collect all necessary documents such as W-2s, 1099s, and receipts for deductions and credits. If you have any questions on what a W-2 is or what a 1099 is, please check out our content on that. Number 2, you'll need to choose the correct form. Select the appropriate version of Form 1040 based on your situation. Number 3, you'll need to fill out the form. Enter your personal information, income details, deductions, and credits. Number 4, calculate your tax liability. Use the tax tables or software to determine how much tax you owe or the amount of your refund. Number 5, sign and date the form. Ensure you sign and date your completed Form 1040. Number 6, submit your return. File your return electronically or by mail. E-filing is genuinely faster and more secure. Tips for accurate filing. Double check your information. Ensure all personal information such as your social security number and filing status is correct. Verify your math. Errors in calculations can delay your return or result in an incorrect refund or tax liability. Keep records. Maintain copies of your filed return and supporting documents for at least 3 years. Consider professional help. If your tax situation is complex, consider consulting a tax professional. Now I want to run through some of the most common mistakes we see, and I want to give you the most common mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is missing the deadline. The deadline to file Form 1040 is typically April 15th. Missing this deadline can result in penalties and interest. So add that to your calendar. Again, it's typically April 15th. Number 2 is incorrect information. Ensure all information is accurate and matches your supporting documents. Number 3 is overlooking deductions or credits. Make sure you claim all deductions and credits you're eligible for to maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. Number 4, failing to sign the form. An unsigned form is considered incomplete and will not be processed. To wrap things up, filing your taxes can seem daunting, but understanding Form 1040 and how to file it does make the process much more manageable. By accurately reporting your income, claiming eligible deductions and credits, and following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure a smooth tax filing experience. Now, if you have any questions about Form 1040, or if you have a business and you need help preparing Schedule C, which is where you can track the expenses and profits or the losses from a business, Doola can help. We've helped thousands of founders from all over the world, and when it comes to taxes, we not only help with bookkeeping, we do the tax preparation and can actually help you prepare a Schedule C for your Form 1040. If you're confused or just want to talk to someone throughout this process, you can schedule a free consultation with the Doola team or book a demo today. We're more than happy to answer any questions, run through the filing process for you, and guide you through the journey. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any additional questions. At Doola, we're here to support your entrepreneurial journey and help you navigate the complexities of business finances. Stay tuned for more tips and insights just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again soon.